Hola people, welcome back to my channel. I can see the reaction in the last two videos that I posted. A lot of you are shocked at the revelation, but it is what it is. You're welcome back to my channel. It is your one and only, you know the name. So of course, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the housemates that are up for eviction, how the nomination went. And I don't know if I should take it in this video, the live stream of Ike and sheggz on Big Brother. If I do, good, but if I don't, no problem. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Now, I do not post bbnaija videos to my videos because of copyright issues. So if you don't like it, kindly go check other channels. It's all over light from here. So let's just get right into it. So Big Brother told the housemate that they had 30 minutes to go prepare for their nomination. And of course, we already know that, what's his name? WhiteMoney is automatically up for eviction because of the black envelope he picked, and it was written in there. He is heartbroken, probably, obviously. Big Brother announced that no housemate should nominate him at the diary room, and then Big Brother started calling them one after the other. Now, the first housemate to be called was Adekunle. He nominated Alex, Mercy, and Doyin for eviction. Next was Alex. She nominated Neil, bbnaija8 and Doyin. So does he have problem with the siblings? I do not know. Next was Doyin. Doyin nominated bbnaija8, Neil, and Somadina. Now she was delaying for so long, and Big Brother got pissed at a point and told her that if she doesn't pick, she would be automatically disqualified from the show. And I felt like she deserved it because the girl was even annoying me at some point. I'm like, you that keep saying that people are not your friends. Duh. Next housemate was CeeC. CeeC nominated Ilebaye, Doyin, and Somadina. And to be honest, it was no shock to me. Next housemate was Neil. Neil went into the diary room and nominated Kim, Ilebaye, and Angel, which is not a surprise seeing that he had issues with the last two girls the past week. Next was Kim Oprah. Kim Oprah was not supposed to nominate, but she said she would easily nominate Doyin and Neil because these are the two housemates she doesn't seem to have any serious relationship or vibe with. Next housemate was Angel. Now, Angel went into the diary room, nominated Kim, bbnaija8 and Doyin. She was sad that she nominated Doyin, but I'm like, there's Pere and other people, but that's my opinion. Next was Pere, who went into the diary room and nominated Kim, Alex, Ilebaye, and Neil. And people were shocked that he didn't spend up to 2 minutes there. Next was Mercy Eke. Mercy nominated Neil, Doyin, and Kim Oprah. And then, of course, we had the next housemate to be Ilebaye. Ilebaye nominated bbnaija8, Kim, and Pere to be up for eviction. She didn't nominate Doyin, which is right, like really nice. Thank God Doyin did not nominate her. Next was bbnaija8. bbnaija8 nominated Doyin, Alex, and Mercy. Obviously, she has issue with Doyin, but then whatever. Next was WhiteMoney. WhiteMoney nominated CeeC, Ilebaye, and bbnaija8. Now, I don't know his reasons, but it is not a surprise. We then had Cross, who went into the diary room and nominated Somadina, CeeC, and Ilebaye. We then had, next was Somadina, the second to the last, who went into the diary room to nominate Mercy, Doyin, and Kim Oprah. He also did not waste any time. Finally was Omashala, the head of house. Of course, as a guest, he's not supposed to nominate, but he said because he is angry with her, he nominates Kim, and then he also nominates Somadina to be up for eviction this week. One thing I know is that Doyin's name would be on this list. Finally, Big Brother announced the housemates were up for eviction. We have WhiteMoney, bbnaija8, Ilebaye, Kim Oprah, and obviously Doyin. At this point, I really think there will be two people that would leave the show. Now, I'm suspecting there might be Doyin and WhiteMoney, or Kim Oprah, Doyin, WhiteMoney. Venita and Ilebaye seem like they might be stronger, but obviously, if they're going to be only two, then maybe WhiteMoney and Kim Oprah. But what do I know? So guys, just share your comments down below and tell me who you think will be up for eviction.